XAUUSD, very latest forecast, price prediction, and technical analysis as of June 17, 2015. Please watch this video until end. Very important video.
Technical analysis as of June 17, 2025. Current price zone. Gold is currently battling to retain the $3,400 mark. Resistance levels. Key resistance levels are identified around $3,440, $3,450, and potentially $3,500. A clear breakout above these levels could signal further upside momentum. Support levels. Important support levels are seen around 3,386 minus 3,373, 3,378 minus 3,340, and stronger trend support in the 3,310 minus 3,289 range. Momentum. While some technical indicators like RSI might be nearing an oversold region, the broader bias, especially on weekly and daily timeframes, is still considered bullish. However, short-term momentum has faded. Moving averages, the 50 EMA is still trending above the 200 EMA, suggesting a cautiously bullish broader bias. Forecast and trading suggestions. Short-term, gold is in a corrective reversal after failing to break above the $3,440 resistance. Traders are watching for a clean breakout from the current tightening range. Medium-term. The overall trend remains cautiously bullish due to persistent inflation concerns and ongoing geopolitical risks. Trading suggestion. Some analysts suggest considering buying on dips, as the current decline might lead to a technical rebound, especially ahead of the Fed's rate decision. Important note, the gold market is highly sensitive to news and economic data. These forecasts are based on the latest available information and can change rapidly. It's crucial to conduct your own research and risk assessment before making any trading decisions.
Thanks for watching.